Hi everyone. First of all, I want to thank all my subscribers for making this channel reach 20k milestone. I really appreciate that, and I'm going to look forward to reach many more milestones like this with you guys. Thank you so much. I really wanted to do something special for today's video, so I decided to follow a tutorial of Bob Ross. I love his paintings and I'm sure you guys do the same. This is the practice version I made while following his tutorial, but the video is going to be the final version, of course. I hope you enjoy. I started to paint on the canvas using round brush. Important note here is, make sure you have filled up the layer with white color beforehand. This is going to be a single layer painting like traditional canvas. So we have to be extra careful to avoid mistakes as much as we can. And as he said in his video, I started coloring it with crisscross brush strokes. After finishing painting the sky, it's time to go for the water body. This time the brush strokes are going to be straight line facing inward. Then we are going to blend everything we painted in the background using mixer brush of the round brush particle. I have used too many brushes for this one painting that I might have forgotten a few. But as we progress, I will try my best to remember what brushes I have used and let you know. I know it's not really the same when you try to follow his traditional oil painting tutorial on a digital app, but I tried my best to replicate it. Now we will paint the far away tree line, and we are going to make it look misty. So to give that look, first we are going to color it with hard oil brush and then blend it using the mixer brush. After we are done painting the far away misty tree line, we're going to start painting another batch of trees, which are less distant than the previous ones, but still very much distant to have some proper details. You don't have to be too much careful while painting this part. Just be random, because it makes things look more natural. By the same way, we are going to do the reflection now. To express that reflection on water, we have to use smudge brush. I'm using flat brush to add waterline. Finally, it's time for something more detailed. A happy little evergreen tree. Well, not really little, but it sounds cute, I guess. Once again, I'm using the flat brush here and I'm using the Bob Ross technique. That is, to draw Z or Z that grows bigger in size as we go down. After finishing painting the Z trees, it's time to draw a little piece of land under them. If you are really confused about the brush names or you can't really remember the names, please make sure to check the brush details in the description. I'm sure it will help you. I have added the bushes using the same flat brush. Now I'm going to paint a bigger tree, which is closer to our eyes. I will admit that it did not turn out the way I wanted it to be. That was the point I felt the disadvantages of digital art over traditional. I used to paint traditionally before, and currently I have almost completely shifted to make digital art. It is definitely more convenient, but this was the first time I felt inconvenience, because I could not use the brush as I wanted, so things got a bit tricky here. Maybe with more practice I will be able to work with it properly in future. We will see. Now it's time to paint a really big evergreen tree. We're going to follow the same process of creating Z that gets bigger as we go down. Now I'm going to add some bushes down there. I have used a round brush for it. Then I painted 2 little rocks and a small little path. Now, we're going to finish it off with wild little flowers, some dead tree branches, and little indications of trunk and branches of the trees that we have drawn earlier. I hope you enjoyed the process, and if you are a digital artist, then I hope you won't back off making traditional oil painting on digital canvas. Remember that you can do anything you want if you have the will for it. Once again, thank you so much for all your love and support. I'm going to look forward to your comments and feedbacks. I really appreciate it a lot. It motivates me to make more videos. So that is all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.